Welcome back everyone to another Solana update, and what I have been warning over the past 3 weeks is actually coming true now. So I have been suggesting there is this potential double top on Solana, and that the Trump all-time high over here at 300, where the Trump token came out, this was the top. Now, all Solana needed to do was maintain the 200 EMA, or look at them as horizontal levels as well. So not only the 200 EMA at 190, but also this level down here, 169. And if you've been following my updates, you would know that I've been saying that 170 or 169, 180 and 190 are all key levels. So as we were trading above the 200 EMA at the time, we had this falling wedge breakout. And you can see that there was an attempt at breaking through the moving averages. This was actually Monday the 10th, had rolled over. And then right there on the Friday, we can see it attempted another breakout and failed. In the end, the 200 EMA was lost. And if you remember the following days through my updates, I was saying, guys, now the 200 daily EMA is lost. This is not a sign that I want to see as a Solana holder, because this is actually now suggesting that we should no longer expect a new all-time high above 295 while trapped under 190. In fact, we should start a much larger correction with this macro double top. And that's what I was saying on these days over here, while still above 169. Then came last week where I was making further updates in this area. And what I was suggesting is that it looks like bearish crosses are about to form. We can see over the weekend they have now formed. So Solana needs to recover all these levels. And it was much better positioned when it was above 190, as this part of the golden pocket. It's the 200 EMA. The last time it held, it gave a new all-time high. So holding this and then breaking the level, which I kept on saying every day, $215. If Solana could actually recover $215, it would be fine and actually start targeting 240, 250, up to 280 almost. But as you can see now, we've got another trend line here, and Solana is not breaking through. Let's go through this body and this body, in fact. So Solana is not breaking out of this line yet. It's respecting it as resistance. And then over here as well. These are just further levels of resistance. Although it had broken out of the falling wedge, you can see it just came into the bearish cross, the daily bearish cross, the 20 and the 55. Now you're getting the 55 and the 100. Now you're getting the death cross here between the 20 and the 200. These are terrible signals, guys. This is not what you want to see for the bullish trend. We've actually lost the bullish trend. That's why these bearish crosses are happening. But most importantly, the 200 EMA was lost. We can see the last time it was lost, we actually went into some consolidation range. But there are some examples in the past as well. When you lose the moving averages, you can start downtrends or bear market. So I will be here to update it as it develops. But the signs that I'm seeing right now is even if Solana actually bounces, it needs to recover 180, but more specifically 190, and then still $215. That's why it needed to break out of that falling wedge to get that market wide relief rally. The funny thing was, I said, is even if we do break out, it should roll over and go lower. In fact, we never even got the bounce. That's terrible. And it's not just Solana, guys, but there has been a lot of FUD on Solana. And I'm just here to read the charts rather than worry about the FUD. The FUD is one thing, but do I see on the charts certain key levels of support being lost? And the answer is yes. So I don't even need the FUD. I can see it on the charts anyways. There were a bullish pattern setting up for some weeks, and it chose to roll over. We're seeing coins on its ecosystem like Radium. You can see over here with this double top or head and shoulders pattern over here. You know, this was the key support, the 200 EMA. So it's meant to bounce from here. And if this was the bounce, that's terrible. It had to go literally on the same day as the capitulation, trying to recover the 786 and 886. That's what it needs to recover to flip bullish. We can see it failed to even recover the moving averages, and it just keeps bleeding lower. So exactly following like what I have been saying all these weeks. Guys, if you want to be kept up to date, the first to know this, if you want to actually learn to identify this, then message me over on Twitter. You can see it in the bottom left corner, or you can jump straight into the Discord community. The links are in the description of this video update. You also get live streams in there, telling you what I'm personally doing with my portfolio, what I'm investing in or selling and whatnot. So yeah, check it out. Links down below. If you want something more personal, there is one-to-one options as well on the website.